In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record supplier invoice or bill on Xero, 5 minutes. We'll start by signing into your Xero account. Head to the Xero login page and click Login. Enter your usual email and password, then select Log In again to access your organization. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. This is your hub, but today we're heading straight to bills. Open the business menu at the top and choose Bills to Pay. This is where all your payables live, making it easy to track what's due and when. To create a new bill, click New Bill. You'll be taken to a blank bill form. Begin with the supplier details. In the contact field, start typing the supplier's name. If they're already in your contacts, select them from the list. If they're not, add a new contact right here. Keeping your supplier list clean and accurate helps with reporting and speeds things up next time. Use the reference field to note the supplier's invoice number or any identifier that will help you search for this bill later. Think of this as your quick lookup field. If you have the original invoice or supporting documents, click Attach File to upload them. Attaching the supplier's PDF or receipt is a great way to maintain a solid audit trail and keep everything in one place. Next, add the bill lines. Enter the item or a clear description of what you purchased. Include quantities and amounts as needed, and make sure you're coding the expense to the correct account and using the right tax treatment for your region. If your business uses inventory or saved items, selecting them can autofill descriptions and pricing, saving time and reducing errors. Take a moment to review totals before moving on. When you're done, decide how you want to save it. If you're still waiting on confirmation, need someone else to review it, or you just want to come back later, click Save to keep it as a draft. Drafts don't affect your reports or balances yet, so they're safe to use while you finalize details. If everything looks good and you're ready for it to hit your accounts payable, click Approve. Approved bills will appear in your bills to pay list and flow through to your reports and upcoming payments. That's it. You've logged in, navigated to bills to pay, created a new bill, selected or added the supplier, added a helpful reference, attached backup documents, completed the line details, and either saved it as a draft or approved it. Follow this process each time to keep your payables accurate, organized, and easy to manage in Xero.